I've actually found someone here dressed up to the nines. There we go. Loads of padlocks here. I'm not sure what that's all about, but I didn't even bring my padlock with me. If you did want to come down here and stick a padlock, you can, because this is in Plaza Campermore. Yeah, we're back where we was before. Before we went on a right just there, up to the cathedral. Now we're going to be doing a left. So we're going to check out Calle de las Tiendas. Of course, this is going to find all the shops. And not many open. And it's already past 10 o'clock on a Saturday. We come up to another square. Look, got a few hotels just there. Hotel Nuevas Torreluz. An old chappie there playing the guitar. Another one, the Hotel Amira. Wow, I've actually found someone here dressed up to the nines. So yeah, this looks like the Church of Santiago. Hotel there, tucked down the side.